found my freedom, which is lead to true meaning of happiness. When the golden sun rises, along with the warm smile for our daily lives, we already received an overflow blessing from our Father Creator. How nice to feel the morning sunshine. The seemingly serenade chirping of birds can really make you dance. The gentle breeze of the morning strengthens our lungs when it's inhaled. Fragrant scents of various mother's flowers. Along with the powerful Father's rice coffee. See, isn't it only in the morning and it's fun? Life is already busy and it's only 5 in the morning. There is Aunt crouching heavenly for being too busy. So is P, taking advantage the sweet nectar of beautiful flower. So did the chickens. And birds taking advantage the early zumba of worms in dirt and branches. The veggies will also take advantage the sunbathing at my sister Hector garden. While the sun rays is not yet so strong because it seems they don't want their skin to be darkened. While the whole family is also busy with their assigned duty. Dad is busy on the farm. So did Mom on her garden. And the children busy as well. Even the heat of the sun, through them, they still working. Yes, we have to work for living. But in simple living, peace is there at hand. We just need to be grateful. Big or small blessings. Living happily is with us always. So do the happiness of cute, loving, energetic pets gives us. Surely smile in our lips won't fade. How about you? Are you still moving? Getting crazy, thinking the new trends? Or work hard for you to post something new in social media? Life is so simple, yet so beautiful. We just make it complicated and difficult, don't we? Because of too much wants and obsession for artificial happiness. Only at this present. The present is a gift to enjoy. Like seize the day. Live in reality, not in cutting. Don't be trying so hard for what people wanted to see. You cannot live happily if you keep struggling to the pretentious reality you're showing off. You won't be defined by who you are because of what you have. The most value is to live in reality yet happy than to live in hypocrisy but full of worries. the day. Live your life in a moment. Live your life since this is your last day. Enjoy your life to the fullest, but responsible, not full of pretentious. When the Lord takes back the life He lent you, even your remains in the afterlife He won't resent. What is in your heart He will allow you to bring to. It is the happiness minded of love that you did while you were still alive. Life lesson I learned. Even if we get tired all day long of our journey of life, the important is we face life happily and brave, whether difficult or easy. The important is you face it without apprehension. Just fight for a complicated, but happy, peaceful, full of blessings living.
Wow! Congratulations!